Best EA for Euro USD. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this expert advisor which you have been searching for, best EA for Euro USD. Now we'll talk about everything in detail. I'll take some time, so this video could be, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes long, okay? So right now on your screen you can see we are on the website. It says most important video you will ever see in Forex trading, and we'll talk about this video as well. This video is like 50 minutes long, so if you don't have patience you can always leave. Not this video but this video, okay, on the website, okay? So you will go to this website, you will watch the results in this video, and then you will know how to get this expert advisor for Euro USD and even for other pairs, okay? So this is the best expert advisor I can recommend to you. And because I know what is inside, what is the strategy inside this expert advisor, what is the code, because I have made it. Okay. So I'm not some person who is selling somebody else's EA. This is my EA. I am the owner, I am the designer, I am the manufacturer, I am the creator, I am the developer, whatever you want to call. This is my expert advisor. And to get to this website, you have to click on the first link below this YouTube video. It will be saying swing trading on automation. So you click on that link and then you go through the motions, and then you come to the sales page here, and then it says watch the full breakdown till the end of how this EA has delivered consistent growth over years of rigorous backtesting. Okay. So to see the results, you will have to watch the full video on this website. That video is 15 minutes long. Okay. So test out your patience, watch it to know how you can get this, because it's all about patience. You don't make money, every day, because if you do, then you are gambling. Okay. So, you could make money for 15 days, and then whatever you made, you could lose that money in next 2 weeks. Okay. So trading is all about a reflection of your personality. If you just want to become rich overnight, it's just gambling. It doesn't happen. You lose money, somebody else gets rich because they were working as per their strategy. Okay. So whether you do manual trading or this expert advisor trading or scalping, or forget about scalping, or this robotic trading, okay, software trading. So whether you do manual trading or software trading, you need to have the strategy which works in the long time frame or in the higher time frame. Okay. So I don't give a crap to this 1 hour chart or 15 minutes chart. I don't give a shit. Okay. I only do daily chart trading. Okay. So in daily chart, you will hardly get, let's say, 2 trades, 3 trades per pair in a month. Okay. So you need to know all that, because you go do your own research, and all those experienced traders you can see on YouTube as well, they only prefer daily time frame. Okay, there's a reason for that. We are not idiots, we are not stupid people who are saying trade daily chart, because that's the only chart you can rely on. Okay, yes, you can make money sometimes in 1 hour, sometimes in 4 hour, but that's not consistent. You will make money, then you will lose all the money. Okay, so you will be back to the zero, back to the square. So come to this website, watch this video. I am calling this EA so far as TubeFX EA. As you can see the name here, it doesn't have any official name yet, but it is TubeFX EA. Okay. So what happens next is that you go to the video below, and then you can join Telegram if you want. So you can join my Telegram to get some free signals every now and then. Check out the best brokers and the prop firm, because you know what, when you do your hard work, whether you do manual trading or software trading, when you make the money, then you should be able to take it out. Okay, withdraw it, because there are so many brokers on the internet. People complain that when it is a time to withdraw the money, their account gets blocked, or the broker just cheats them for their money. Okay, so you need reliable brokers and reliable prop firms. My EA works with brokers, individual brokers. Okay, I don't recommend using my EA on prop firms, because prop firms don't give you leverage of 1:500. Okay, so for this EA to work on your trading account, the first requirement is that you should have minimum of 1:500 leverage. Why is that? You will get to find that out in this video. Okay, so when you watch this video on the website, you will know why you need that leverage. But yes, in prop firms, normally they don't give you that leverage. In prop firms, you will hardly get a leverage of 1:200. Okay, but if you have a broker account, you can always use it. So this EA which you see here has been tested on multiple pairs, not just on EURUSD. EURUSD was the number one successful pair, you can say. Okay, so when I have created this EA and tested this EA for EURUSD, it gave me maximum profits. Okay, and the back testing had been done on multiple pairs, and multiple pairs are profitable, and everything you will see in this video when you go and watch. But the most profitable was EURUSD. The reason is quite simple. EURUSD is the most traded pair in the world and most stable pair, because everybody is into EURUSD. So it gives it, it gives the stability to the, to this trading pair EURUSD. It's like, as a beginner, when you want to get into trading, you don't want to trade everything. Okay, as a beginner, you don't know how this works, whether you do manual trading or software trading. If you have no experience, knowledge, if you're not a pro in trading, then you should not, trade everything. There are like 20 pairs or more than 20 pairs, if and you should only stick to the one which everybody is trading. For example, if you're a beginner or intermediate trader, only trade EURUSD. That's my recommendation. For example, let me tell you, if when you come onto YouTube, okay, when you, let's say, start a YouTube channel and you want to make YouTube videos, you don't have to make those videos which, you don't have a chance to rank for. For example, let's say you make a video on how to make money online, your video will never rank. Okay, there are too many channels on YouTube who are already doing how to make money online or make money online. So that's a broad keyword. Okay, that's a high competitive keyword for which your YouTube video channel will never show up in YouTube search. You will be just drowned somewhere in the ocean. Okay, so what will you do? You will, you will filter out a micro niche. Micro niche means here that you could say how to make money online using Instagram, how to make money online using maybe Chat GPT, or how to make money online using this AI. Okay, so what do is you pick up a micro niche, right? And then you make a video on that, and then you have the chance to rank. Because if you just have a general keyword, how to make money online, you will not be anywhere. Okay, so why am I telling you this in the context of forex trading? Is because if you are a newbie or you are intermediate trader who's not a pro, who is only, let's say, working on 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, 50-minute chart, 30-minute chart, then I don't consider you as a pro trader. Okay, if you are not expert in trading daily chart, then you are not a trader for me. Okay, so if you are making some money here and there, and now you want to try automated trading. And one more important thing about this EA, TubeFX EA, which I am talking about, which you will see, is based on daily swing trading. Okay, so this EA which you have to come and watch this video, I have coded this EA based on daily swing trading. So you will not see trades happening every hour, every 4 hour. No, this is a daily swing trading which I have coded into the form of a robot. So simply it means that it's my human brain which I have transferred into this robot. So technically it will be my brain which will be working on your charts in the form of a robot. Okay, that's all. So as a pro trader, I will never recommend you to do 1 hour or 4 hour. There's a reason for that. You might get to know this after 2 years of losing money. Okay, I'm telling you right now, if you don't believe me, then go and do 1 hour chart trading and you will not be in profits after 1 or 2 years. Okay, if you are trying your luck, you could be profitable, but later on you will lose the money. So people are not, those pro traders, experienced traders are not fools who are trading only daily chart. Okay, so there's a reason for it. So this EA is only doing swing trading on based on daily chart, and I think I'm the first human on the planet, or the first trader on the planet code code daily swing trading into a robot. I don't know if anybody else has done this before or not. Okay, so I'm the first person trader to code swing trading into the form of a robot, and that's called TubeFX EA so far. Okay, so if you are a, this newbie or intermediate trader, I gave you the example of YouTube, that just don't go ahead and start making videos or make money online. You will never rank. Similarly, don't just go ahead and start trading every pair. Don't just go ahead and start trading a UDUSD, NZD, USD, USD, CAD, GP, USD, USD, CHF, USD, JPY, Euro, AUD, Euro, GBP. Don't just trade everything. You're just a newbie trying to make some money. Okay, stick to one most profitable tested pair, which is Euro USD to begin with. And once you make some money, once you have confidence that this works for you, then you can test more pairs. Okay. So as I told you about YouTube example, same example is with the Forex trading. Choose one pair, which is the most profitable tested pair. Okay. And when you go and watch this video, inside this video, we have tested four pairs with this EA for 5 years, and all those four pairs for 5 years have made consistent profit. Okay, so you will get to see all of that when you come to this page and watch this video, and then after watching the video you will know how you can go and get this EA as well. Okay, so again, one benefit here is that this is my EA, so you will be dealing with me directly. Okay, it's not like I'm promoting somebody else's EA, so you will buy from me and then for the support you have to rely to them. No, you will buy from me. You will directly get support from me. You can email me or chat with me on Microsoft Teams. You will have all the options to contact me, and I will help you with the EA setup and everything in the process to get you live. Okay, so what you need to do is, if you are searching for best EA for Euro USD, this is it. This is 5 years back tested data. Go and click on the first link below the video. Come to this page here. Watch this video to know how to get this, and then join Telegram if you want, and then join these brokers as well, because these brokers are, I have been using them for 4 years and they always pay me the money. Okay, so you need a trusted broker which can pay you your profit. So you don't want to waste your time on a broker that when the time comes to withdraw the money, they run away. Okay, so go and get these brokers, sign up with them using my link, and then click on this first one and come to this page and check out this best EA for Euro USD, and then make your call. If you have any questions, you can email me. You will find the email details right here. You see, you can email me, you can chat on Microsoft. This is my email, this is my Microsoft Teams. So you have plenty of ways to get in touch with me if you have any questions before buying it or whatever. Okay, and that's it. I'm not gonna go and talk about such EAs which I have never tested. Okay, so if I go online, I'll find multiple expert advisors which will be there, but I have not tested them, so why would I talk about them? Okay, that EA which I have created myself and I have tested myself, I'm going to talk about that only. And in the future you will see some links as well on the website itself. Those links will be about my FX book link, that how the EA is performing in demo and real accounts in the coming future. Okay, so go ahead and try this, and if you have any questions, get back to me. Subscribe, like, share the video, join these links here and click on the first one. Come to this page, check this out yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.